Okay, we're going to swap out. We're going to go from the standard band to a roller butt. First thing we're going to do is you're going to take this cordage here, come over like this, zoom in if you could, and you form a loop. This guy goes in like this. Slide it up, then go ahead and install your roller head. Now we're going to secure it with crease tension. So it'll come down this way here. I'm going to pull on the band. Keep pulling on the band. And now you'll see, zoom in there if you could please. You can see that this locks in place right there on the front end of that connector. This is your connector for your resting hook. And now what I'll do is I'll come down here, I'll grab the band at the base of the strap,